Hi everyone, welcome to our Think and Grow Rich series with this is Hana and Vahid. We're going to talk to you today, guys, about some exciting news we have in store for you. We have a lot of value we want to bring to you. We know you guys love the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, and we want to show you what we have in store. So Vahid, I want to talk about what is your experience with the book Think and Grow Rich first off.
Well, I started reading the book over 10 years ago, so I've been studying the same material for a long period of time, and it has helped me in my personal life and my business to achieve many different levels of success. And I'm definitely continuing doing that. I'm studying it all the time, and I'm teaching other people how to utilize it and make their lives better by it.
That's awesome. Give us a little bit of the history behind the book Think and Grow Rich.
Well, Napoleon Hill was assigned in 1930s, back in the days, by Andrew Carnegie to have gone all over the place and interview a lot of successful individuals that Andrew Carnegie had connections with. So Andrew assigned Napoleon Hill to go out there for the next 20-30 years of his life and study everybody who was successful at that period of time that was, a typhoon in any type of industry that they did. So he did do that. So over a course of probably 20 years, he interviewed over 30,000 individuals.
Wow.
People that were failures, people that were successful, all across, big, huge, wide range of individuals. And then finally, he's written a series of multiple books, but his, I like to say his key ingredient was Think and Grow Rich, because he put all of it together, made it short, sweet, and he made it so normal individuals like you and I could read it, understand it, and utilize it.
Awesome. So Vahid, give everybody a little taste of what we have in store for them. We have some awesome material we're trying to share. And why are we doing it?
The reason why we're doing it is because we want to put the materials out. I've noticed a lot of individuals that I share my materials with, they had a difficulty doing it on their own. A lot of individuals have read the book, have studied the book, have tried to utilize it, but they haven't found the secret. They haven't really utilized it 100% where they could flourish in the field of business or entrepreneurship or personal, whatever field you want to use that, or for whatever gain you want to do, whether that's money, monetary, whatever the case might be. But a lot of people don't have the workbook. This book works better if you do it in a group of individuals where they're aligned with each other and their purpose is lined up together. They have the same goals and same dreams. On top of that, you got to have a workbook alongside of with that. What I mean by that is Napoleon Hill suggests for you to write down a lot of materials, memorize them, and utilize them. These are not principles you read one time and utilize one time. This is ongoing. So we put together different packages of workbook where you could actually write down, go alongside of the book, and we pulled out the best of the best and we put it in one place. So that way, if you read the book and it didn't work out for you, or you're still reading it, or you just picked it up brand new right now, this workbook will help you along with that.
That's awesome, Vahid. Well, guys, look forward to it. You guys are going to get access to our exclusive workbook alongside with our Think and Grow Rich series videos on YouTube. We look forward to seeing you next time. And once again, follow us, like us, subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.